let's look at this question. Okay, so we have m factorial, n factorial. So m factorial times n factorial equals to 10 factorial. The question says find the product of m and n. Okay, so we all understand what a factorial is. Okay, so when you are given 5 factorial, the same as 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is 5 factorial. Okay, how do we address this question? Now, we have 10 factorial here, okay? And we have this on the left hand side. Okay, so let's break them down. So let's start with 10 factorial here. So we have our m, then we have our n factorial. So this is what we are going to do. We are going to write down 10 factorial and then distribute among m and n. Okay, so we know 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That is 10 factorial. Okay, so we want to distribute these numbers, okay, among m and n here. Okay, so let's open our eyes. Okay, now we know 1 times any number is that apart from 0. Okay, so if you are to multiply 1 by that, so in case we're given m factorial, if let's say m is, let's say, 10, okay, 1 times 10 is 10. So in starting with the numbers here, 1 should be common among them, because 1 times any of this will give you that. So you've done nothing. Okay, so 1 has been distributed. Okay, so let's give 2 to m, so times 2. So we've taken this one out, so 2 is out. Okay, so let's give 3 to m again. All right, now we know n is supposed to take 2 and 3, but we have 6 here. Okay, 6 is the same as 2 times 3, so we can say 2 times 3. Okay, so let's give 4 to this. Okay, and 8 is the same as 2 times 4. Therefore, we can also give the 4 to this. So this one is gone, and this one too is gone. Okay, we have 5 here. Let's give 5 to this. Okay, now check this. We have 10 here. 2 times 5 is 10. So we can give the 5 to this. So this 5 is also gone. Okay, so what is left? Now this 9 can be written as 3 times 3. Okay, remember the next number is 6. So 3 times this 2 is 6. Let's give it to this. Okay, then 3 times this 2 is also 6. We are left with what? 7. So the 7 can be given to any of this. So you can choose to write it here or that. Okay, so with this 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 is 7 factorial. Okay, then 1 times 2 times 3 times 4 times 5. So let me this one. So this one is also 6 factorial. Okay, so in given we have 7 factorial, 6 factorial equals to 10 factorial. Therefore, m is 7, then n is equal to 6. So finding the product of m n means 7 times 6, which is 42. 7, 6, 42. So the correct answer for this problem is 42. All right. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more exciting videos.